This is the XDS test channel from Westwood One Technical Operations Center in Purchase, New York.
Of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta, Tehama, and Eastern Trinity. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming.
Well, how about that? WWF 67 was actually receivable. Of course, normally I'd use the HH to get the test. Now we're gonna put that back on here. Everybody else activated. Get the Sanjian. Yeah, surprised it actually activated with a clear signal, which I don't mind. Plug the Sanjian back. There we go. I'm gonna put that back on channel 7. Yeah, because now it's, when I bring the radio back in here, it sounds like crap. Anyways, there you have it. Have yet another perfect activation. Got it off here. Got it on television. Got that. Got the strobe light going. It's obviously hooked up to the 996. Saw the HH. and then the 300. There's the first one, and there's the second one. Excellent. Well, this concludes this week's weekly test off of NOAA weather radio and television. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And we'll still see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.